Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kartra, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Kartra, start by accessing the Kartra website. Click on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After that, click on the Create My Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Kartra. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you'll be directed to the Kartra dashboard. Select your preferred plan based on your business needs. Enter your payment details in the secure payment form. Click on the Submit button to finalize your subscription. You'll receive a welcome message with links to get started. Navigate to the dashboard where you can explore various features. To create your first project, click on the Create New Project button. Choose the type of project you want to set up. Follow the prompts to customize your project settings. After setting up, you can start adding pages and elements to your project. Utilize the drag and drop builder for easy customization. Preview your project to ensure everything looks as expected. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make it live. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Kartra and launched your first project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.